Gabby and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a pantry makeover and organization. I'm also going to be showing you how to make a super easy renter-friendly pantry shelf that'll work for any pantry. If you're not already subscribed, definitely be sure to hit the subscribe button. In this channel, you'll find all things home decor, organization, DIY, and everything else in between. If you like this video, don't forget to leave it a thumbs up. And now let's get on with the pantry organization. So this is the current state of my pantry. As you can see, it is a hot mess. I kind of started to organize it. I have these shelves over here, and then I also bought some of these bins from the Dollar Tree. This closet must have been a coat closet at some point because it has this bar right here. I have this bin with just like all of my appliances in here. Alright, so I'm sorry for the lighting. This is just a really dark spot in my apartment, but I went ahead and emptied out my entire pantry. I also went ahead and just like quickly swept, but this is what we are working with. I actually went ahead and purchased a couple of items to help organize this pantry, so I'll go ahead and show that to you all really quickly. But before I do that, I'm gonna go ahead and show you all how to make a super easy renter-friendly pantry shelf. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and show you all how I was able to make this extremely easy pantry shelf. I'm gonna first start off by grabbing these 3 pieces of wood. These were actually one piece of 2x4 1/2-inch pine plywood that I had picked up from the Home Depot. I asked them to cut it down to these 3 pieces. 2 of them are 14 by 12 inches, which are the height part of my shelf, and 1 piece is 20 by 14 inches, which is the shelf part of my shelf, if that makes sense. From here, it's super simple. I'm just going to be attaching all of these pieces of wood together using these 1/2-inch wood screws that I also picked up from the Home Depot. I ended up using 6 screws to attach my shelf together. And at this point, you're done. You can either leave it as is like I did, or you can go ahead and paint it or even use a super cute contact paper to decorate it. Alright, so I'm going to quickly run through everything that I picked up. So I picked up these wooden bins from Target. They are small stackable wooden crate. I picked up 2 of these for my onions and potatoes. I also picked up this shelf from Home Goods. It came in a pack of 2. The other one is sitting inside of my cabinet. I think this would be perfect to add additional shelving in my pantry. I also have this under shelf basket from the Container Store. I'm going to be using this to store my aluminum foil, Ziplocs, things like that. And this works great because you can just stick it right under the shelf. And again, it adds some additional shelving in your pantry. I picked up these containers from IKEA. I store like my dried goods in here. So in this one I have my pasta and some pancake mix. So I like to cut out the labels and paste them onto these containers. That way I know exactly what I have and the instructions on making them. I also picked up this huge bin from IKEA. And in here, I just have my rice, coffee. It's like a giant airtight container. And so I plan on keeping that as it is. Finally, from IKEA, I have this plastic bag holder. I don't know about you guys, but I love using my shopping bags as trash bags. This is a perfect storage solution for them. That way they're not all just like sitting under my sink in a mess. I also picked up these stackable bins from the Dollar Tree. I'm not a huge fan of the color, but they're gonna be inside a closet, so it's not a really big deal. These are a great price. They were $1 each, which you can't beat. And I also picked up these little chalkboard labelers for them, and so I'm just gonna have them right in the front like this. that was the pantry makeover. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to leave this video a thumbs up. Comment down below if you have any tips and tricks for organizing things like pantry or kitchen. I would love to hear it. And don't forget to hit subscribe if you like all things home decor. See you guys on the next video. Bye.